Hey, what's up, you guys? I know this is like a weird for me to post more than 3 videos this week, but the reason why we're posting this video is this commenter, I don't know where I'm putting the comment this time, said you really want me to check out their videos. They've been asking me repeatedly in comments, and by the time I get to this has been at least a week so far. So guys, the video I'm doing today is Wolfrain_popular_monster, and it was just a just about the YouTuber XxDeadlyxX, and I'm really trying to think of the idea that I would do other content, like for small content creators that also want me, like other smaller content creators that really want me to show their content on YouTube, like basically react to their stuff. I'm sorry, I'm not dragging this out, but the reason why I'm saying this is because if you are the type of person who really want to me to react to something and you're like a small content creator just like me, I would love to do that for you, and I want to see if we can I can start doing that kind of stuff like now as soon as possible. I know it's, oh my god, I hate this intro is long. Okay, regardless or not, I don't know nothing to come to the show right now. I'm really excited for the video, and I really just want to make sure anybody want me to react to any content that they have personally they want me to do that's really dear to their heart and they want to improve their YouTube channel, please tell me. I will love to do it. Let's do it. I hate that intro. Oh my god. What am I?
Yeah. I wake up every morning with my head up in a daze. I'm not sure if I should say this, fuck, I'll say it anyway. Everybody tries to tell me that I'm going through a phase. I don't know if it's a phase, I just wanna feel okay, yeah. I battle with depression, but the question still remains. Is this post-traumatic stressing or am I suppressing rage? And my doctor tries to tell me that I'm going through a phase. Yeah, it's not a fucking phase, I just wanna feel okay, okay. Yeah, I struggle with this bullshit every day, and it's probably cause my demons.
The lyrics are going hard. Okay, the song is so right. Like,
I represent, I also represent anyone on my receiving end of those jokes you bit. I'm the nightmare you fell asleep and then woke up still in. I'm your karma closing in with these
it is werewolves.
Perfect time to have some remorse to show for your sin. No, it's hopeless. I'm like the now that you hope
Is this a
in.
werewolf?
When they say all of this is approaching its end, you refuse to believe that it's over. Here we go all over again. Yaks to the wall, I'm stacking up all in minds. Toilets hard, yeah, cause I'm talking a lot.
Okay, this is
What
what is this? Not in a negative, but it's like I'm interested in it, but I don't understand what I'm watching at all. It's magic. Well, where was like, no rapping, a lot of blood. I'm sorry. What is this for real, guys? Please tell me. If you know anything about this, please tell me what this is. Hey, going harsh. Oh my god.
We're sick and tired of wandering, praying to a God that you don't believe.
Dude, what is this? It's like Warrior Cat, but
Where the fuck is your God?
that's a deep lyric. I don't want to hear that. not it was like a like bad
I just feel like night
just I do not
today.
want to
Something
bring
in
up
here's not
religion
right
in anything
today.
I
Why
think
am I
of
so
right
uptight
now.
today? Paranoia is all I got left. I don't know what stressed me first, how the pressure was fed, but I know just what it feels like to have a voice in the back of my head. Like a face that I hold inside. Face that awakes when I close my eyes. Face that I watch every time I lie. Face that laughs every time I fall.
Wait, what happened?
So I know that when it's time
No.
to sink or swim, that the face
No,
inside is hearing
that
me
was in
right
the
underneath my
action.
skin.
But the song's still playing.
over my back. It's like a whirlwind
Well,
inside of my head.
they talked in here.
Can't stop what I'm hearing within. It's like the face inside is
I'm
right.
still listening. I'm still listening
Madness,
to
the
the
reckless
song.
facade,
It's
serve a
really
facade, and
good.
everyone stands just symbolic of you not knowing
My
what
only
you have
critique
till
so
it's
far is
over.
one
All the
thing.
glitz and the glare, no more fans
And
that
I'm
are calling
gonna
you
do
names.
this
Cameras are all set, but the heavens still hold us up. I'm not
I want
like
more.
the
I want
sand, told you so. Who was set us above the things that are follow. I'm the future that's
All that
here,
stuff,
show you
all
what
that
heaven's
stuff, that
for.
would be
If you
so
don't stop,
dope.
after they call you beast, man, it's like a rap, you can call it quits.
The look down for the rest of the time of the video, that's what I'm gonna see like.
Whirlwind inside of my head. It's like
And the reason I'm keeping this into like going like I don't want to play it. You didn't really drag this content to the whole video.
It's like a whirlwind inside of my head. It's like a can't stop what I'm hearing within. It's like the face inside is right.
But regardless of not, like hitting really hard to do, I really like it. It is, I want more Just give me more, because you got that was but it also, see that there, you can't, but but what I have to say is like what I saw her on his channel was like he painted, but I was like really wanting to react to, but this like he started doing to like react to, and I but I really want to so if you guys are interested in seeing more of these videos, if you are watching this video, I would like to say like more my speed, just because I like that type of content. Like I watch our videos for hours sometimes, and I just be like literally bobbing my head to like you know, like it's like
Bet you got it twisted, you don't know who to trust. So many players hate niggas trying to sound like us.
okay, my boy's from the hood. Wait, or she's from the hood. I don't know. They didn't be very specific right now. It doesn't matter who's in there.
Bet you got it twisted, you don't know who to trust. So many
But
players
still,
hate
I
niggas trying to sound
really
like
enjoy
us.
this. I really enjoy this. I really enjoy most of it, but I don't like the fact of like how it's like that's my own problem. I know you guys are seeing the black screen. I ain't even done editing it, and I ain't never seen the black screen with music playing in the background. But I really did enjoy this whole entire thing. Fun, enjoyable. I keep saying that, but I want to just make sure like the person told me reactions. Like the content's not bad. Trust me, I make terrible videos with a freaking iPhone 6. It's bad, and I'm doing my best at making videos, so I can't say nothing. Oh my god. I kind of wanted more of the music though, so. Well guys, hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'm very happy that I got to do this video for XxDeadlyxX. I really do appreciate you telling me to react to this. I did enjoy the video mostly. I just didn't like that blackout part I've been saying constantly, and I really like if you would suggest one of your repaint videos there. I think that would be even doper because they seem so much more colorful and interesting to me. Yes, me personally. I know everybody got their own taste of content. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you anything you want me to do, please comment down below. I want to hear you guys say. Also, if you're a small content creator you want me to react to one of your videos, please tell me down below. I'm really excited for it, and I really want to do more stuff like that because I really want to support you guys because you guys support me. Love you guys. See you guys next time. Bye. You guys are awesome. Oh, God.